Guys, just want to take a quick look at audio or Audius. Now I've drawn a trend line on the daily chart, and you can see that today it's had quite a surge. It's up about 9% on the day, but it needs to break above about 18.7 cents. If it can get above this, it'll break this trend. Also, tonight is the weekly close, so it's kind of hard to see it here, but basically on the daily you can see it better. And if it breaks above this, it will close a daily and a weekly above this trend line. That would be excellent for Audius. So let's hope it can do this. Right now though, it still hasn't broken the trend, so nothing has really changed for Audius, unfortunately. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, I've redrawn this chart a little bit. The 4-hour resistances are in blue, the dailies are in orange, and the green is 1 week time frame. So today we've surged, quite a bit, and we've broken through a daily and the 4-hour resistance right now. Now these candles close in about 4.5 hours. Still plenty of time for this candle to go right back down. So we are also creating a CME gap because we closed on Friday at 69,355 or 356 if you just want to round it up, but 355, 356 doesn't matter. So there is right now about a $500, $450 gap at the moment. Now, like I've said in the past, I don't really trust too much when it comes to gaps, CME gaps, but they do tend to get filled somehow, but they don't have to, especially in a bull market. And anyways, guys, Bitcoin is looking a little bit better. If it can close this candle above this daily resistance and this 4-hour time frame, the next target looks like about $70,500. So if we can break that 4-hourly resistance, then there's another one around 71,000. We'll just round it up, 70,950. So anyways, guys, don't want to get too far ahead. It is a weekend. It's Sunday. It's it's not out of the ordinary where you don't see some spike on Bitcoin. I remember many times in the past on Sunday evenings, Central European time, you see spikes from Bitcoin out of nowhere, but looks like it's happening tonight. And anyways, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar, by the way. Now, this week, there isn't too much. This is Sunday and Monday. There's nothing much really on Sunday and Monday. Tuesday either, but Wednesday, keep in mind you have core CPI and you have CPI numbers as well. So yeah, that's on Wednesday. And then later you have the interest rate decision, and then you have the FOMC press conference. So that's probably the most important day this week to really keep in mind. Thursday is also important though. There is PPI and jobless claims as well. So that's going to be very important. And Friday, we have the Michigan numbers, consumer sentiment and expectations and things. This is also a little bit important. You do see Bitcoin react to this as well. But most important, and the first is Wednesday. So yeah, definitely keep your eye around 1430 on Bitcoin, Central European time. And then you're probably going to see a little bit more volatility about 6 hours, 5.5 hours later or so on Bitcoin again. So that's going to be a very volatile day. If the numbers are in our favor, I do expect Bitcoin to probably surge up again to the 71,400 level at least. So we just have to wait and see. I don't know if we'll get there before Wednesday. We could very easily do that. But if we do something like this and we just kind of, go sideways a little bit, I do expect, if we have good numbers, we will reach this weekly, basically resistance again and retest it. Anyways, guys, that's what I got for you for today on audio and Bitcoin and talking about this week's important events. Right now, audio, needs to get above, like I said, 18.7, and then it breaks this trend. So until then, nothing really changes, unfortunately. Anyways, thanks, guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.